So I already told northern plain, the main rivers are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus and Satluj. Okay, so these rivers originate in the Himalayas, then it fed and melting snow of glaciers in the mountains. That is why these rivers or northern plains of India never dry up. So they get the snow melting every time. The plain is also known as Indo-Gangetic plain. Okay, so this after the mighty rivers Indus and Ganga that flow through it. And then there are small rivers joining to the main rivers. These small rivers are known as tributaries to the main river, and the area watered by river and its tributaries is called a basin. Okay, then we will learn there are fertile soil is there called slick or alluvial soil. This is on the bank of the rivers. So this is very good for the fertile of the region of the world. Climate. You can climate of northern plains is not the same everywhere. Okay, the summers generally very hot. Then comes to the dual monsoon. Eastern part in West Bengal, Bihar, etc. have get heavy rains. In winter, the western and northern plains is very cold. Sometimes there is fog. Next part of the northern plains. The northern plains can be divided into three basins. The Satluj basin in the west, the Ganga basin in the middle, and Brahmaputra basin in the east. Okay, the Satluj basin is a big river originating in the western Himalayas. It has 5 tributaries, but only the Satluj and the Beas flow through India. Okay, the state of Punjab and Haryana lie in the Satluj basin. This basin does not receive much rainfall, and therefore canals and tube wells and wells are used to irrigate the field. This all I explained last time. The Bhakra Dam has been constructed across the Satluj river. This provides electricity and water for irrigation. And what are the main crops grown here in Satluj basin is wheat, rice, sugarcane, cotton, jowar, bajra and ragi. The next one is Ganga basin. Okay, to the east of Satluj basin lies the Ganga basin. The Ganga is the most important river of the northern plain. It is also the longest river in India. The Ganga basin is spread across the state of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Delhi and West Bengal. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayan mountains, and it enters the northern plains at Haridwar. Haridwar is as a big river. Ganga originates there and it as a big river. Okay, so these are the things. Then Ganga joined by Yamuna at Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, that is called it as Sangam. Before the river joined the sea is called the area of land which formed due to the deposit of the river before the river joined the sea is called delta. Ganga basin is very important for cultivation of crops such as wheat, sugarcane, jowar, bajra, barley, rice, gram and jute. Okay, I think then we learn about Brahmaputra basin. Okay, this is also the Brahmaputra originate in Tibet, and it entered through Arunachal Pradesh and flow through Assam before entering the Bangladesh. Brahmaputra basin is a narrow strip in the state of Assam. However, it includes its length in Tibet. It is the longest of the 3 great rivers of North India. So what were the 3 great rivers I told you? Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So which is the longest one? It is Brahmaputra. Okay, and Ganga from the largest delta in the world. Before joining the Bay of Bengal, this delta is known as Sundarban Delta.